Hi students, today let's do the worksheet 2.4. First question, write three differences between a map and a globe. We have learned about a map and globe. See the picture. Can you list the differences between a map and globe? Yes, a map is a drawing of the earth, but the globe is a model of the earth. Then the map can show a part of the earth's surface in greater detail. At that time, a globe does not show places in detail. A map is easier to carry from one place to another place. At that time, a globe is difficult to carry from one place to another. Can you list out these differences? Yes, you can write it in the space provided. Then, second question. Answer these questions. First one, name the two continents that lie on the same land area. See the map of oceans and continents. Can you name two continents that lie on the same land area? Yes, what are the two continents that lie on the same land area? That are Asia and Europe. Okay, the next question. Name the ocean that lies at the bottom of the continent you live in. That is Indian Ocean. Got the answer? Okay, then take worksheet 2.5. Answer these questions. I will read out the question. You can find the answer. Then let's discuss the answer. Okay. First question. Who proved that the earth was round? How did he prove that? Then second question. What did people believe about the shape of the earth? Third one, compare the shape of an orange to the shape of the earth. Fourth one, why does the bottom of a ship disappear from our line of vision first? Okay, these are the four questions. You can find out the answers now. Did you get the answer? Okay, let's discuss. First question. Who proved that the earth was round? How did he prove that? Yes, we have learned. Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth was round. He travelled across the sea and came back to the place from where he had started. Okay, like that he proved the earth was round. Then second question. What did people believe about the shape of the earth? At first, people believed that the earth was flat and had edges. Third one, compare the shape of an orange to the shape of the earth. The shapes of the orange and earth are slightly flat at the top and at the bottom and bulkier in the middle. Okay. Fourth question. Why does the bottom of a ship disappear from our line of vision first? That is because the earth is round. So, the ship drops slowly down the side of the spherical shape. These are the answers for these questions. Did you get this? Okay.